come from a Christian background, and Easter is a very special time in our faith. It is a time where we think of the price that Jesus Christ paid for our sins. It's a time that we think about reconciliation. It's a time of forgiveness. It's a time of new beginnings. As we go into Easter, sometimes we miss people, the people that either passed away or that left our lives. They're not there anymore. This is a good time to think of what did they contribute to your life. Nobody only brings good things or bad things into our lives. If we think about people, what did we learn from them? I learned from people how to stand on my own feet, how to make my own decisions. I learned from people how to take responsibility for my choices. If there's somebody that you miss in this time, pick up the phone, pick up the pen and contact them. Bring them back into your lives again.